Hi and welcome to another episode of George's Garage. This time I'm doing something a bit different. It's on my Range Rover, which is in need of a new upper half of tailgate. As you can see, we've got shine and then it's like matte black and peeling off, rusty, you know, it's just needing replaced. You see here, it's even made of old cardboard boxes. So it's definitely due a replacement, and I have one here. It's not perfect, it's also a little bit rusty, but not nearly as bad. My mum's car got a new one fitted to it, and that's the old spare, but it's in a much better condition than mine, so we're going to fit it to this one today. And then I have a front airbag to fit down there when it arrives in the post. So that's the plan for today. Might have to wait till tomorrow depending if the post comes. So I've gotten the trim pieces out, and what I like to do is, as you see, there's a lot of electronics in the back here. I like to take pictures on my phone, so that if you forget the route that wires take, you can find them all again. It really helps. This is fun, trying to feed all this cables through a gap, which you can't even see, all the way along. But I'm sure if you remove the lid, it's easy, but I can't do that. The glass, sorry. I don't have the knowledge nor, I guess, tools, because I know they've got that diamond wire stuff that they use for cutting it. But it's getting there. This is the new one on. Old one's back here. So we've got it all on, all working. It's obviously, it's not perfect, but it's much better than what I had. See, it's not a matte black one. It's, you know, you can see it's bubbling, but it was free, you know. Glass is starting to go at the edge, but see, all opens. There's a slight noise at the top, but I have to align the thing yet. But for now, it's in, it's closed, it opens, lights work. So we're just waiting on the airbag to come. It hasn't come yet, it's 4 o'clock, so we'll see what happens. I think the camera died during the middle of that last recording. I've just had to leave it for a bit to charge it up so I could record this, but we've got it on. Air suspension's back alive and working. So we're getting there. And then the next thing is I've ordered some lift kit rods so that I can fit these new tires to the car. So it has to run, you see, much bigger. These are, where is it? I think they're 275 60/20s, so pretty big, but it'll be running in a lifted mode at that point. So that should be the next one on this car, but it means my daily driver's back on the road again. So, and then just before I end it, in the back here, steel for the chassis arrived. So it's one of the next jobs to go. But I think that's where I end the episode. Thanks for watching, and if we can subscribe, thank you.